Kheer Puri is a traditional sweet recipe. Instant 5-minute bread kheer recipe. I am using pav bread. You can use any bread. Make fine powder of bread. Then add 10 almonds and pistachios and half cup milk powder and 1 liter thick cream milk. Then blend it few seconds. Then keep aside. Take a pan. Add 2 teaspoons ghee. Then add 4 teaspoons almond powder and cashew powder. Then add powdered bread. Saute it well for 30 seconds. Then add blended milk and 1/3 cup sugar. Mix it well, then boil for 2 minutes. Yummy mouth-watering kheer is ready. Check its consistency. It is awesome. Enjoy with puri. Let's make puri. Add half teaspoon salt, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoon ghee. Mix it well. Then add 3/4 cup milk. Mix it. Then make a fine dough. Add 1 teaspoon ghee on it. Mix well. Then keep aside for 15 minutes. Then make small balls from dough and make small round shaped puris. Then deep fry it on high flame. Stirring the spatula, turn the both sides. Then fluffy puri is ready in few seconds. Fluffy puris is ready. Enjoy with kheer. Traditional sweet kheer puri is ready. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.